Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pandora token. Now this token got a central exchange listing a couple days ago on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, Pandora is a collection of 10,000 avatars or replicants bound to the first tokens built on ERC-404. So there's been a few ERC-404 tokens come out recently, and some of them have been doing very well. It's an experimental token standard enabling persistent liquidity and semi-fungibility for Ethereum NFTs. Our website is currently receiving updates, so if you go to pandora.build, there's not much on their webpage besides that little blurb. There is the contract address. There's a link to their Telegram and a link to their Twitter. And we're going to get to all that in 1 second here. So they have their Telegram here is at Pandora_404. And that 404 is obviously short for ERC404. And they have 6,765 Telegram subscribers so far, so they're doing very well there. And you can preview their Telegram channel if you click on there. And they also have their Twitter as usual. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here. On their Twitter is where they're showing all their brand new central exchange listings. So it's an ERC404 token, and you can check it out on Etherscan. If you go to Etherscan, you can find this token. There's a low supply. So they're introducing this, I'd assume, because the BRC chain there or the Bitcoin ordinals, the inscriptions, the BRCs, all that was very popular. And so then they've tried to do, they've implemented bridges between Bitcoin and Ethereum and Arbitrum and all these things with the BRC tokens, and now they are implementing this ERC404 with a different style of NFTs, and it's in experimental phase right now. So they're seeing if this takes off, just like the BRC tokens do, I assume. So the max total supply here is 10,000 Pandora tokens. Right now they have 1,496 holders. So on here it says their volume. So the market volume here in the past 24 hours is 121.61 ETH, it says. And minimum price is $24,491. And max price is $34,648. And then it has the token contract on there. So yeah, you can see this. It says it's an ERC721 NFT. That's the category it's under on Etherscan. And the name is Pandora, and ticker symbol is also Pandora. So this token here just got listed February 6th, 2024 on a central exchange called Lbank. So if you're looking to get the Pandora token, you can go to, well, first of all, you need an Lbank account if you don't have one. So you could download Lbank from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Then open an account on Lbank. Go into the trade section after funding your account with USDT. Search Pandora, and then you would trade your USDT for the Pandora token. So it got listed on the 6th. Withdrawals open on the 7th. It is now the 9th, so it's definitely fully available on Lbank now. So their Twitter, I'm going to put up right here. You can see has a link to their Telegram. There's no web page on there yet because, like I said, their web page is still being constructed. Their Twitter just joined in February. That's how brand new this project is. They're followed by Lbank there. And it is at Pandora_ERC404. They have the blue verified check mark, 147 tweets. So I would say this is the place where you're going to find the most information on the token, since there's nothing on their webpage, maybe their Telegram as well. But yeah, they have 31,600 followers here. So it says Pandora is the first token built on the ERC404 token standard. So if this is the first one built, I mean, a lot of tokens make claims like this. I'm not actually sure if it's the first one built, but they basically, they're one of the first for sure. And there's been a few after them that are pretty popular too. I saw them trending just yesterday, which made me want to do a video on this token here because it was trending. So Pandora is the first token built on the ERC404 token standard, an experimental token standard that we have open sourced for creators and developers alike. Finally finished the last of our paperwork. As of today, Pandora is officially a fully formed entity. It says, we went from a couple of guys with an idea to established startup with a team of over 10 people, extensive press coverage, 30,000 plus followers, and 9 figures in daily volume in a week. In 4 hours from now, we will have launched exactly 1 week ago. It might not feel like it, but it's literally just the beginning. And then it says an audit is coming today. Locked liquidity right after. Then we ship something really exciting with complete documentation as we continue exploring our eventual EIP. We just started, and this is a tweet just from today. So documentation will be coming, and full audit will be coming as well. And yeah, so ERC404 is innovating NFT finance by tackling liquidity issues. So that's what they claim anyways here. And then they have, I guess there's another token here, MSTR. Maybe that was another one trending here, Meta Street. I'll have a look at that one here. But yeah, so there's they're doing some partnerships here on their Twitter. Animoca Brands, I guess, is potentially one of their partners. They're tweeting at them, but yeah, they're trying to get some partners here. And it says ERC404 enables a plethora of exciting concepts and mechanics for gamification and interactivity. Pay attention to the terms that are willing to get creative and make the most out of them. So then they're retweeting Monarch, which is most likely another ERC404 token, and it talks about Binance Web3 wallet where you could store ERC404 tokens. So if you're looking for a wallet to store your tokens, it says they are now supported on the Binance Web3 wallet. So I'm sure there's going to be more wallets as well. But yeah, check it out. It says they're getting more listings too coming in the future. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.